Bakersfield today, we saw warmer than normal temperatures. We also saw clear skies, but cooling down fast for us. 42 degrees right now in Bakersfield, looking at those low 40s across the valley. 34 down in Pine Mountain Club, 28 in Fraser Park, and 32 in Tehachapi. So still looking at those freezing conditions overnight, so definitely be careful on the roads. But we are looking at a chance of rain and strong winds heading our way Thursday morning. 30-mile-per-hour winds in Tehachapi as well as up in the Kern River Valley. But tomorrow we're looking at one more day of warm temperatures till those rain chances head in on Thursday, and then we're going to be dry and warm over the weekend. More details